Hi, class. I'm back to talk about another one of the applied equations problems from chapter 5. So this is problem number 42, and it's located on page 181 of your book. So let's talk about it. And I'm going to solve this probably a little bit differently than the book will have you solve it, but when I talk it out, I'm hoping that it will make sense. If it doesn't, please email me. We can talk about it more. And the problem goes like this. If a delivery van travels 252 miles on 12 gallons of gas, how many gallons are needed to travel 378 miles? And N is the number of gallons needed, right? So my first thought process, if the van travels 200, I think I have this set on the eraser right there. So the van travels 252 miles on 12 gallons of gas, right? So that's miles and gallons. Then I know that the van is getting, which seems to be a really small van, is getting 21 miles per gallon, right? And then if I know that they're asking me how many miles, how many gallons will it take to go 378 miles? So 378 miles divided by 21 miles per gallon, right? And what I know is that these are going to cancel out, right? And that is going to give me 378 divided by 21. And that's going to give me 18 gallons. And I hope this makes sense to you all. We're solving for the n that equals to n. We could do this in terms of proportions, right? And if we did this in terms of proportions, we would say 252 is to 378, what 12 is to n. And then we would solve these using cross products. And that would be 252n is equal to 12 times 378, right? And 252n would be equal to, I think this is 4,536. We use our calculators for that. And then in solving, right? So I isolated. Now I'm solving, and n would be equal to 4,536 divided by 252. And then n would be equal to 18. I hope this helps you all. If you have any questions,